1 minute. Yeah.
What did you say, Prash?
Sir, Aparna will share, 2 seconds.
Prash, one important thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, just now, Nagamani called me and sir asking to share the link. So I'm going to share the link to sir, and I think Shah will join now. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, you'll just do the final thing. In the meantime, Aparna can share the screen and start sharing the what you call e-certificates. And then Jayaraman sir will speak, and uske baad Narahar sir will speak. Okay, whenever he joins. Please go ahead. Yeah. So Aparna, you can just give 30 seconds voiceover, and then say whatever you wish to say, and then share these slides. Yeah. Thank you.
Is it visible?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you all, and a very good evening or good morning, depending on wherever in the world you are. So in total, 15 participants who attended all the total of 9 classes. And depending on that, we are showing the certificates of presentation in the workshop here. So I will go one by one to show all of your certificate.
I think we should keep, clapping, as she shows. Yeah. Thank you so much. Please type the names. Yeah.
So that's all. Here were the 15 participants.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Aparna. So do you have any quick 30 seconds say before Jayaraman sir speaks? Yeah. Yeah, Aparna, do you have any quick 30 seconds say before Jayaraman sir talks?
No, Prash. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Aparna, for this. Wonderful. So before maybe other faculty members also speak. Each of us will speak not more than for about 45 seconds. So first, I would like to request Kiran, please, to speak. Yeah, please. Yeah.
Hello all. Thank you. It was a wonderful couple of weeks of all kinds of different areas of presenting about the life sciences aspects, and it's a very nice initiative from the BioIncluse. Of course, it was already there, and in this year it again happened. And the good thing is, even though we are in the virtual environment, we are still doing this one, and everybody was able to do. I'm very happy that I was also able to contribute with one session. And thank you very much to all. Hope students got help from the Galaxy things, and of course the Galaxy will be still going on. And please do watch out for the Gitter thing when you have any questions in the Gitter chat. Thank you.
Wonderful, Kiran. Thank you so much. Ashok, please. Yeah.
Yeah, this is really what is a roller coaster ride for me. I really learned a lot of things, and one thing I now can offer to each and every participant, including faculty, any type of collaboration which mutually benefit. I'm open to that, and especially if you want any session, especially to network biology or any network medicine sort of thing, which is a new upcoming field, I'm open to that. Thank you very much, and I learned a lot of things, especially from the last session. Thank you very much.
Wonderful, Ashok. Thank you so much. Anshu Bharadwaj, please. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Prashant. I think I don't know how much I taught, but I definitely learned a lot from this workshop. It's very well planned, very well organized, and I think we should have more of these workshops in the near future, because there are many more people who will benefit from all of us coming together. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for us to also, as Ashok was saying, it's important that we use this as a follow-up for setting up long-term collaborations, not just among the faculty members, but I think as a team, and we can then solve much bigger problems collectively. So thank you for having me as part of this event. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, Anshu. Yeah, Sugu, please. Yeah. Sugu, yeah. Sundarta?
Sorry, Prash.
Yeah, yeah, please. Sugu,
Sorry,
please.
Prash.
Yeah, yeah,
I was
please.
talking to Narahar Shastri sir. He just called me, and he's joining in 5 minutes. I think he'll be joining any moment.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Prash, did you call my name?
No, yeah, yeah. Please, if you have any quick 30 seconds, say Sugu on the workshop. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much for all the participants for your time and energies. I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed the workshop 2 weeks. We at BioClues will keep organizing these kind of events in the coming months. So it will keep posted in our website. Yeah, please you can have a look, and through WhatsApp also we'll just send you. And most important thing is that whoever the students are there for PhD or PhD scholars or MSc, they can always be part of the mentor-mentee projects that was handled by BioClues. Yeah, we look forward to your active participation. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Sangram, please. Yeah. Yeah. Sundarta, please. Yeah.
Hi, all participants. We enjoyed long 2 weeks. It was wonderfully interesting. And I again tell whoever wants to do anything on databases or anything, please come back. Don't be shy. You can talk one-to-one. We have a lot of projects to move on. That's my point. So have a good day and welcome back, and come back again for more collaboration. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Jayaraman sir, please. Yeah.
Should I talk 1 minute? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, please, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. It was a wonderful workshop, and then it was a very long workshop, one of the longest workshops I've taken part in BioClues. And I found out the participants very, very hardworking, and then they were very attentive. 2 weeks of structures and sequences they took for evening tiffin and for the dinner through Zoom. And I've never seen them being overwhelmed, and they have been asking very clever and intelligent questions. And I think this set of participants I found out to be one of the best set of participants. I also want to mention to them, yes, bioinformatics, you need to have a good domain knowledge combined with some programming skills. So first learn to drive first, then you can become a mechanical engineer. So it is not going to be difficult if you learn to drive first, so that you learn the integrities of bioinformatics combined with programming skills, and you will be able to use all the softwares. And once you learn that, then you can go into more details of programming as well as mathematical aspects of bioinformatics. Thanks a lot, and best of luck to all of you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Wonderful. So we have a president, Dr. Narahari Shastri, sir. But before he speaks, I just would like to have Visu as well, please. Visu, do you have any quick comments? 30 seconds, please. Yeah.
Good evening to all of you. It's very nice to see that students getting this kind of opportunities, and you should make use of all the mentors who are available here. Feel free to approach them, and this is a wonderful opportunity for all of you. And we'll be very happy to talk to you regarding the career opportunities and the other things which we have presented. Best wishes to all of you.
Yeah, thank you, Visu. Aparna, please. Yeah.
Thank you, Prash. This workshop of 2 weeks bioinformatics, integrated bioinformatics and system biology was very interesting in a way, because we had 12 continuous day of rigorous bioinformatics learning. So in a way, the students probably have every day to learn something new. And I believe even if we didn't learn some tools or some lectures, we can go to the YouTube back and can again visit them and can learn in a new way. And also we all are open for any queries or any questions even later to the workshop. So you feel free to connect to us, and don't feel shy to write to us. I also took a participation to take a class one day, and I hope it was interesting for the participants to listen to it. And thank you so much. Hopefully we will again meet in another workshop.
Thank you, Aparna. Nancy, please, 30 seconds. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone, or good morning, according to time zones. It was really a great opportunity for me as well. to demonstrate Autodoc Veena, because like this was my first time, and sharing is always the best option to learn new things. And even I learned a lot of things during a 2-week workshop. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Nancy. So before we have this, I think, I would like to request any one of the participants, any 2 or 3 of the participants, to unmute your microphone and kindly, give a 30 seconds, opinion or feedback. The forms that you filled is not really feedback. It's a post evaluation, by the way. Okay. Yeah, please. So that, based on this, after this, Dr. Narahari Shastri sir, our president, he will give his comments. Yeah. Thank you. Anyone, please? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm Sravona from Bardhaman University, and I'm also a like member of BioClues, but really I'm not a bioinformatician. I'm from botany background, but this workshop really gives me a flavor of bioinformatics. I really loved it, and I will later I really try my best to learn it more way. And thank you all of the mentors and all the teachers who teaches us. They are very good. They take care of us in every second that we fail to do the tools, but they are patiently, they take care of us. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Anyone else, please? Yeah, quickly. Yeah.
Hello, this is Anubhav here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay. Please go ahead.
The one thing which I wish to say is in the words of Michael Legrand, an eminent Oscar winner, the more I live, the more I learn, the more I learn, the more I realize, the less I know. And it was really wonderful to look into this world of bioinformatics. And I hope that you people organize one simpler bioinformatics workshop where I could learn about the basics and the terminologies of bioinformatics. That will be quite helpful for me coming from a botany background. And thank you all for answering all my continuous questions and answering my problems and assisting me throughout this entire workshop. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you so much. Anyone else, please, before sir speaks? Yeah.
Can I speak? Okay. Anshu here.
Yeah, please.
Anshu,
please.
Go on.
Yeah.
After that, Ranjan.
Right. I'd like to thank you all for this wonderful workshop. I must say that I got into this without knowing where I was going. And at the end of day 1, I was in tears. And I literally messaged Prashant saying I'm going to drop out because I don't understand anything. This is a different Greek and Latin that they're talking about. But I must thank all of you for bearing with novices like me and taking me step by step. It has been a really steep learning curve for me because this is not my specialty, and there's a huge difference between different participants here. So there were times when I felt that I was lagging very far behind, and there are other people who are understanding and I'm not understanding. But I can't say that I understood everything, but there were areas which interested me, and those things I have got. But having said that, I agree with what Dr. Aparna just said, that I might not have understood everything, but I know now where to ask and where to look. So this is just a starting point for me. Thank you most of all for exposing me to other fields other than medicine, because I haven't heard about plants or molecules for a long time now, and this has been completely a different area. And this is, as I call it, the hidden curriculum, where you learn more about collaboration, and this is a wonderful way. So thank you all for making this effort, and I hope to come back and learn a little more next time also. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Next, please. Yeah.
Okay, so my internet is unstable, but I thought it will be unfair if I'll not tell thanks for arranging such a wonderful workshop. I have attended a couple of workshops before, but I must tell, this is the most lively workshop I have ever attended. So a very big thanks to Dr. Prashant and all our wonderful faculty members. And before the workshop started, I had the program. I thought I was thinking that I will attend a few because I will be interested in few workshops, because others are not of my interest. But as the day unfolded and we keep on attending, believe me, it created a lot of interest in me. And whatever I have learned, it is, means I cannot tell in words, really. And I think the most important thing I must tell, and all my fellow participants will agree with me, that it has taken us out from our comfort zones. Now we are in the driver's seat. Now it depends on us how to drive the car or the bike. Now we have come out from our comfort zone. We know what to do, where to look after. So yes, very, very wonderful. And we are looking forward to attend more such kind of workshop. Really, it is going to helpful, not for me, everybody who will attend this. And all the best for your organization. And we are looking forward many more workshops like this. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ranjan. Naresh, as I said, you can just give your final comments for a couple of minutes, please. And after that, I'll take liberty in giving the feedback that we have received and my final comments. Thank you so much, sir, for joining. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Prashant, for asking somebody who is least responsible for any of these activities. Although the only contribution that I have is I gave my electronic signature for people to put. Anything that we do in our life, if we put our best efforts, we will enjoy. And workshops, Namkya Vaste workshops will be there, and passionate workshops will be there. And there are things where we would like to get involved with the participants and then try to look at each individual and try to get them involved in some way or the other. This is possible because of a strong driving force like Prashant that we have, and there are many people who follow him, whether it is Aparna, Nancy, Renuka, our Sugunakar definitely, and many others, and the guidance of Professor Jayaraman and Professor Sundar and Sangram, Vishwanathan, Ashok Kumar, Urmila Kulkarni, Sunita Manjari, Avneet, Arvind, that is Nancy, and many others. So I just wanted to tell you that sometimes we have to take decisions which might be a bit inconvenient, and people will have to do right things, even if it is a little bit inconvenient. And that job is done by a person who is possessive of a particular event. And Prash is usually a person who pushes you to get things done. This is all with good intention to see that things are going on in a proper way. And I think it's a wonderful, wonderful thing that during the COVID times, somebody is able to conduct the workshop for 2 weeks. And many people are able to get to the terminologies. And this particular workshop might have a significant difference in their perception towards looking at biomolecules at different length scales and different structural scales and different temporal scales. And there are different ways in which you can develop this understanding. And this understanding will be very different for a chemist, for a life scientist from a botany or a zoology background, or somebody with medicine, somebody with engineering. And bioinformatics, the way it is evolving, is a interdisciplinary science. And workshops like this will definitely help us to overcome these fortuitous barriers that are there in science. It's very difficult to tell that a scientist is a chemist or a biologist or a physicist or a mathematician. They have to be inclusive, all inclusive to address a bigger problem. If you are too much compartmentalized into a particular area and then at a very young age or a stage, young age, maybe people can be very young till they are 90 years. And people can be very old when they become, age is just a number for all of us, except for Sugunakar, who is a birthday boy today. And I wish on behalf of all of you, many, many happy returns to him, Sugunakar. You are mute. So I really don't know, because I was just asked to speak, which, as I said, because of my either my age or my people like the love and affection of people like Prashant and Sugunakar and all of you. And I happen to be an incidental or accidental president of BioClues, and I have to discharge my duty. And it is such a wonderful thing to be a part of this very enthusiastic team. And I just wanted to say that let God give enough strength to people like Prashant and Sugu and all the team members to do more such workshops. And this particular event that we have taken, that these people have conducted, should definitely trigger the scientific passion and asking the right questions. And definitely it's a wonderful thing also that they not only think about bioinformatics, but the motivational talk combined by cultural program. And I wish all of you to have a fantastic, relaxing evening. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best and have fun.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I hope you'll just stay for a quick photo shoot session here, and then I'll just have one final opinion of for about 1 or 2 minutes, please. So all of you, please switch on your camera, and we'll just have a quick photograph, a group photograph. Maybe Kiran and Sugu can take screenshots, please. Thank you so much. Yeah, all of you, please keep your camera on. All smiling faces, please. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
Prash, I'm using mobile, please. Excuse me this time.
Or Aparna, please. Yeah, anyone can take.
No
some
problem.
snaps.
I'll take it. I'll take. Just a minute. Yes. Just.
I think all should give thumbs up. Okay, or a victory.
So I'm still waiting for more people to show their webcams. Sharbana, Arvind Kaur, Lipsia, Ranjan Shah, Himani Kakkar. If you can, with your video camera, open your video camera. I'm still waiting for more cameras to get on. Sambal, Basant, Renuka, Rashmi, Himani Kakkar.
Yeah, can you see me? Sorry, or
so I still see some webcams are not available. Yeah.
Prash, something is coming in between.
Okay.
Sarbana, Lipsia.
Yeah, we're seeing your we're seeing cupboard.
Prashant, your other camera is open, so we are seeing your cupboard.
Yeah, we're seeing your cupboard. Yeah,
yeah,
now clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, Renuka is missing. Renuka, yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Prashant can involve his daughter also in the family photo.
Yeah.
Hi.
So you need to give me some time because there are 2 or 3 sheets, so I have to take 2 or 3 pictures. So please give me some time. Okay, there's some more. Ranjan Shah, are you going to come? Banu Prakash, Himani Kakkar. Okay. I'll start taking then. Okay, get ready with all your lovely smile faces. So on the go of one, I will take the picture. That will be the first one, but of course you have to smile for all the sheets. No problem, you can smile more times. So, yes. 3, 2, 1, go. So that was first picture. Be like that. I'll go for the next one. Three, 2, 1, go. And the last one, please. Okay, somebody jumped out, so we are left with only 2 sheets. So I'm done. So yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kiran. So much. Incredible. So friends, I think I would say that, Kiran has been, a big help, not only, for his, scientific demeanor, but also, for the technical help, that he has been doing. We have been uploading all the talks, from time to time, taking care of Zoom and all. So before, I just give, one final comment. We should all give a thumping round of applause, to all the faculty members and all the participants, please. A big thumping applause, please. Thank you so much. So, in fact, we sent something called what we call it as a post-evaluation form. So post-evaluation is something, not a kind of a feedback form. So please be advised on that. Feedback is only, looking into the credentials, on how, probably one has really fared. But here, the post-evaluation is based on the scientific questions, the thought process, and also, how both the parties, fared. Okay, and this workshop, for 2-week extensive workshop, we have organized after almost 4 years. The last one we organized in 2016, and we have organized, several DST faculty development programs in Kerala Agricultural University, also in IISc CCMB once, in National Institute of Nutrition, also in Chhattisgarh, also in Bose Institute once, and also across, different places as well. It was absolutely amazing. And if you could really see the workshop manual, we spent, Herculean times. This workshop is absolutely been updated, from time to time since 2007. It was not a kind of an easy thing, and all the workshop questions were all, problem-based, manual exercises. The feedback, that we received is absolutely very good. I would say, when I say very good, we really don't get carried away, with the praises, that we really get. But we also take, some very important things that, we should have really spent, a lot of, hands-on time. I think, that is there. And probably I would certainly not disagree with the point that, we should have, started, some basics in bioinformatics, because basics in bioinformatics is available in all over the world. If you simply Google bioinformatics and YouTube, these are probably, not the kind of excuses, as a participant that you should really avail. Because the reason why we really started with molecular dynamics and machine learning on the very first day is to ensure that you learn that particular process and you carry that particular, that particular barrier until the end of the workshop. So that if you have any questions on the very first day, although you wish to, run away from the workshop from the first day, you would have a kind of an inkling of thought where you would carry that particular passion in you, to the 14th day. That is the idea, behind having, the very first tough kind of things. And that's one of the reasons why NGS workshop in machine learning, was put on the very first day. Okay. And as expected, we got very meager feedback, for machine learning and NGS. When I say meager feedback, out of scale, 1 to 5, we got only 3 on an average. Okay, which is quite good. I was expecting only 1 or 2, but at the end of the day, we really don't get carried away, with these particular scores, as I tell you. We only expect that, you carry out this particular learning, to the next phase. For example, for NGS and machine learning, for machine learning, we had only libsvm. For NGS, we didn't tell you the RNA-seq. What we really thought was yes, at least if you could know the essence of these particular tools, that's fair enough. And for viral bioinformatics, bacterial bioinformatics, cytoscape, and big data, and the Galaxy ones, these were all, the wonderful hits. The cancer genetics. Okay, so these were all, the wonderful hits, that, we have got. Of course, a few of you said that you didn't get time, to do the exercises, but, this is the time, where you could do the exercises. Okay, and what we really expect you at this point of time is, getting, or some of you have really paid, 1,000 rupees for this workshop, which is probably, a very iota of money, when compared to what, a 2-week workshop would really get it. There were 32 participants and only 15 participants, fared successfully, for this particular workshop. We needed to be a bit strict. I know, many people would probably curse me probably, that we are trying, some of you might really feel that, we are probably rude, we are probably strong, we are, straight to the point. But this is how, we in India, should really move forward. Unfortunately, we have really been practicing, bioinformatics for over the last, 1.5 decades, or probably, more than 2 decades. And I really feel very bad. I personally feel very bad, when we are asked to teach bioinformatics right from the basics. How and where withal, we keep on discussing or learning bioinformatics right from the basics. Why wouldn't a student of botany MSc graduate know the etiquette of bioinformatics right from his early MSc days? I think, this is where we really need to do that. I think, we're not really growing towards that. So probably, excuses apart, we need to really, overcome these kind of things, post-COVID times. Have you ever thought, that we would be acclimatized to 4G or 5G that quickly? No, we haven't. So I think, we should really overcome, these kind of, ifs and buts, and then, we should really move forward. Nevertheless, I think, this workshop has really been absolutely very useful. I should really thank all the workshop faculty members who have really put, a lot of time and energy on this. Every one of them here, they answered, absolutely good. And more to that, the participants have really been wonderful and, amazing. So please, please, accept our, sincere thanks and appreciation to this. And this workshop, we would not have gotten, for a 2-week workshop. In fact, I had this thing in my mind, in the workshop, but Aparna said that, we should do it for 1 week. And that is how, we did this. And we are going to have, these regular workshops, for 2 weeks, in the next, few days. So that's it for me. I think I should stop here, and I should give this to Sundarta, who is ready for cultural events. And everyone would be afraid now because Sundarta and all the children will be ghosts now. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Thanks, Prashant. So
I think
we will take it.
Hello. I think I will take only 15 seconds. We all can praise Prashant and clap for him also, because this is from my side, from his humble gratitude always. We can clap for him also separately. Yeah. Please continue.
Thank you.
Actually, Subbu and Prashant, I have a small, I will try to take 1 minute.
Please, sir, please.
Actually, we are a little bit running behind our schedule to announce the INBIX 2021. The conference dates are finalized, and then we will try to get the website and the poster very soon, next week. The 11th, 12th, and 13th November 2021, this will be an online workshop hosted at NIST Jorhat. 11th, 12th, and 13th November, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And this will be preceded by the Galaxy workshop on 9th and 10th November. And the workshop will be like a satellite workshop before the meeting. And these two are independent but clubbed together. The workshop registration will be separate, and the INBIX conference workshop is also separate. And as it is online, we would like to have a maximum number of participants. And the focus theme of this conference of INBIX 2021 is strengthening the computational drug discovery in general, strengthening computational drug discovery, and also in India. So this is how we would like to go ahead. And I should have announced it about a month before, but we are running behind the schedule. One of the main reasons is we were unable to decide whether it is offline, online, or a mixed mode. We were thinking to have it in a mixed mode, but considering the current situation, after discussing with everybody in my institute and CSIR, we decided to have it only online, because November is coming very short, and I hope because it is online now, which is finalized, we will be able to very aggressively go with our plans. I look forward to seeing most of you online for this INBIX 2021 and also for the workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your constant support and guidance. In fact, Kiran is also here. Kiran, Harpreet, and Sangram will take this Galaxy workshops forward. Thank you so much, sir. I think Jayaraman sir would also be informed about this. Subbu, please, liaise with these particular dates with Kiran and others. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
Sure, Prash. Yeah, it will be done.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I assume this session is done. So I will give a 2 minutes break. Also, the recording will also stop for a couple of minutes. And then probably Sundarta will take over the next fascinating session, which is much more entertaining.
Yeah, sure. So friends,